Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video we have the Tecno Camon 40. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can hard reset or factory reset your Tecno Camon 40. For that, first you have to power off your phone, and after that press and hold both the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the Tecno logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until it gets into the recovery menu. Now again press the power and volume up key for the recovery options. Now inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to navigate through the option and use power key to select an option. Select factory data reset twice, and this will delete all the data on your phone including the pattern or password. Now after that, select reboot system now, and this will reboot your phone. After the reboot, it will take some time to boot up, so you guys have to wait for it. Now after your phone boot up, you guys will have the new setup of the Tecno AI. So tap on the arrow, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone normally again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously on this device now has been removed. Thanks for watching.